Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we fishing with clams and shrimp. Trying to catch some blues. I got the daughters with me. Say hi, Christy. Hi. You know what? I could use this for wait, can I see it? Can I use it? All right, I'll use it later. I can use that for sand fleas. So we're fishing off of the shoreline today, right over here in Sandy Hook. I'm using 80-pound braided line on my spearman and a 40-pound braided line on my other reel that I have over there. Let's see if the shrimp and clams will work today. Last time I came here, I was fishing with bunker mostly and squid. I got squid and bunker. Hey, bro.
What is this? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Got you on, I got it on the GoPro, bro. It got off? Slowly.
Oh, nice.
Don't pull too hard. Don't pull too hard.
Huh?
Yeah, don't pull too hard.
I'm just feeling see if you're on it. Fight this. You're not fighting. He's still here.
See if Dave catch a fish today.
Maybe. It's still heavy.
Probably a stingray.
Nah, stingray fight. Oh. See, bro.
That's a nice size sea
The
robber.
other one was bigger.
You know what to do, buddy.
Take it off.
Nah.
Say something, bro?
It's on GoPro. It's going on YouTube, so.
I mean, I gotta take it off. Go get some fire. Show me how to hold that thing up.
Just grab the back of the head, the top and the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah. So you're just gonna grab the top right here, flip it over, grab the head.
I'm just taking that out real quick. You go ahead and toss it back, bro.
Oh, I like your little trick.
Damn, bro. Swallow that shit.
It's a nice size sea robber.
Good job, Chris.
That's all you, buddy. Good shit.
Hey, that shit was deep too.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
I just saw that shit go bam.
I see my rail. My reel. That's all I was worried about because my reel, it doesn't lock.
Yay!
Yay! Woo, fishy! Big time.
Damn, I think he's still on there. Yeah, he's still on there. It felt weak. Yeah. That shit is big as hell.
Huh?
Shit big as hell.
Yo, they getting bigger, yo. That shit big. Nah.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, I don't like it, though. They ugly to me.
You just cut the head off.
You gonna keep it?
That's a keeper, bro.
The first one I had was definitely a keeper. That's like the same one I caught the other side. The head looks a little bigger on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one right there. That's nice. But these sea robbers and shit getting bigger. These robbers getting bigger too.
You want to keep it, babe? You gonna eat it?
Show how the wings pop up.
Let's see how they look. Look.
It's time, bro. It's not.
I had this in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this shit is huge, bro.
You're not gonna keep You're not gonna keep it?
Nah, I've never had. I mean, we could eat it, but it's mostly bone. It has a lot of bone. It's not really.
So basically we're not gonna kill it.
No.
Can I feel it? I wanna feel that
Touch the head is hard.
I hate her, yo.
Yeah. Don't pull too hard. It's sea robin there. Sea robin, right? Small. It ain't that small.
That hold the wind? Top of the head, right?
Yeah, the top of
On
that.
the floor or down?
Nah, lift it. Oh, it got his tongue. Damn.